So what we do here is we teach young people how to build bikes, and then through an application process we take those bikes and give them to people within the community that need no-cost transportation. We also sell bikes that we've refurbished, and we do have some new ones. And what that does is allows us to further our programs. We can buy more tools, we can pay staff, we can have this big, nice workshop, and that's sort of the idea, is to self-fund the mission here.
These are just a few of the bikes that we plan to give away at our grand opening on September 1st from 4 to 6 p.m. We'll be giving away all of our kids' bikes. You need to have a kid present so we can make sure it's a right size bike, and also a parent or guardian who can sign. We hope to have about 50 to 75 bikes that we give away, first come, first serve, and we hope to make a lot of kids happy.